Vivera, from the makers of Invisalign, is a clear thermoplastic retainer designed to be used after completing orthodontic treatment. Vivera retainers are suitable for Invisalign and non-Invisalign patients and can be made directly from a final Invisalign treatment stage or for non-Invisalign patients from a dental impression. Vivera retainers provide a strong working retention solution and are made from a clear thermoplastic material that is up to 30% stronger than the leading materials tested. Getting patients started on Vivera is a simple process, freeing up time for dentists and other office procedures.
Initial Invisalign consult, we start talking about retention, and we talk about Vivera retainers specifically as a means of retention. For non-Invisalign patients, we approach the subject either in new patient consultations when if we notice lower adult onset crowding and things like that.
I chose Vivera retainers because they're very similar to the Invisalign that I had been wearing for like the previous year. You know, they're similar in the way they look and they feel, and I just thought that it was, you know, a better fit for what I was looking for.
I do wear my retainers now because they are comfortable, they're easy to deal with, and I'm very happy with my results.
Retainers need to be strong to maintain tooth position. The superior strength of Vivera retainers enables them to self-correct back to the final retained position certain types of relapse that may occur during the subscription period, up to 0.25 millimeters per tooth.
Whenever I feel like my teeth have moved, I just pop my Vivera retainer in, and it's comforting. I know it's pushing my teeth back into the place that they should be in, and it helps me maintain my smile.
Align studies show that many of the leading clear thermoplastic retainers start to degrade after as little as 2 months, potentially contributing to relapse. This is why Align Technology introduced Vivera retainers as a subscription of 4 sets of retainers shipped over time, making it convenient to replace retainers prior to deformation and to accommodate each patient's unique retention needs.
The number one reason that people relapse from orthodontia is they lost their retainers and they forgot to get new ones. You know, and this solves that problem. You lose your retainer, you have the next one. Your retainer is kind of gross to wear, you have the next one. And that's the thing that I think is really going to keep people wearing the retainers, which is what we want.
My dentist recommended the Vivera retainers for me, and one thing that stood out the most and the reason why I decided to go with the Vivera retainers is because they do offer 4 retainers over time, which meant that if I ever lost one, I would always have another one without having to search to replace it.
I took the option that you could actually get 4 made at once, and which is great because if something does occur, you can go to your closet and there's a backup right there. So it's easy.
Studies show that without retention, even perfectly aligned teeth can gradually revert to their pre-treatment state.
Of all the benefits of Vivera retainers, I think the one that's most important to me is the fact that we've got such a high degree of patient compliance. What I've noticed as a comparison between Hawley retainers and Vivera retainers is the patients are a little more compliant with them. They're more apt to wear them for a longer period of time during the day. They're liable to wear them more consistently at night. And so we get a better effect, we get a better retentive effect with the Vivera retainers than we do with the Hawley retainers.
The first thing I noticed with the Vivera, I think, was the fact that it really did fit well. It was really well molded to my teeth and just snapped right in the first time. It was easy to put in, take out.
I'm actually wearing the Vivera retainers right now, and nobody knows that I'm wearing them.
You know, I really don't think I'm going to have a problem sticking with Vivera over the long term, only because it is so easy to use. And I'm very pleased with my dental results, and I want to make sure that my teeth stay the way they look now. So yes, I'll continue to wear Vivera.
There isn't anything that I would change about the Vivera retainer program. I think it's a great program and it's cost effective, and I would definitely recommend it to all my friends.
I have told my friends about Vivera retainers because they are helping me maintain the smile that I'm very pleased with and happy with.
To get started with Vivera retainers, log on to your Align VIP account today.